In this tutorial, we are going to learn about percent. If you see the word percent, it has two parts, per and cent. Let's first understand meaning of per. Take this example. The question says, we have 50 students in our class and we have 2 apples per student. How many apples do we have? So focus on this word, per student. So obviously the answer would be 50 multiplied by 2, we will have 100 apples. Now per means, if you observe closely, per means for each. Word per, for each or for every. Put same meaning in this word percent. So per means for every. And cent is a short form for century, which is 100. So percent means per 100, for each 100. That means 1 upon 100. So if you see this percent, which is represented by symbol like this symbol or percent means 1 upon 100. So we can say that percent is just a special fraction. It's a special fraction which is equal to 1 upon 100. This you have to remember, that percentage means 1 upon 100. It's as simple as that. Now if you convert any percentage, for example in these examples 5%, you write 5 and this symbol percent is equal to 1 upon 100. So 5 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 5 upon 100. So you have converted percent to a fraction form, into a fraction. In this example 100%, so 100 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 100 upon 100. This is also a fraction form. 126%, 126 multiplied by 1 upon 100 is 126 upon 100. So these are all conversion of percentage to fraction. Now let's see how to convert percent into a decimal form. For example, we take this example 60%. Now there are two methods to convert. First, either you convert 60% into a fraction form first, and then from fraction form to a decimal form, or you can directly convert a fraction to a decimal form. For example, 60% is 60 multiplied by 1 upon 100, because percentage is 1 upon 100. This, if you simplify, gives you 6 upon 10, and if you convert into a decimal number, it becomes 0.6. So this is a two-step method. If you want to convert directly from percent to decimal number, number 60 can be written as 60.0. So 60% I can write as 60.0%. And since percent means 1 upon 100, that means in the denominator I have 2 zeros. So what I'll do, I'll shift the decimal point 2 places from right to left. So 60% means 60.0%. Now you shift this decimal 60.0. If you remove this percent, if you want to remove this percent, obviously that's how you will convert it. So you will shift the decimal point to 2 places from right to left. So the decimal points goes to, this is the first place, then second place. So decimal point goes over here. So this becomes 0.600 or 0.6. That means percentage number will have two zeros in the denominator. Therefore, you can directly shift the decimal point to two places from right to left. I'll give you some exercise. Two examples. There are two practice exercises. You have to convert from percent to decimal. You can pause the video. Think how you will convert 150% to a decimal number, or you can also have a number which is itself a decimal number, but with that, along with the decimal number, it also has a percentage. Like for example, if someone gets 78.8% marks and you have to convert it into a decimal number. So how will you do? Think about it. Again, you can either take two-step method or directly convert it into a decimal number. Try these two exercises in your notebook and you can then submit on our WhatsApp number 9999600283. And if you have any doubt, you can also send a message on this number. In the next video, we can solve these two examples and move forward.